an offset gatefold in a circle that allows you to have decoration on every panel. Now, looking at this and thinking this is going to be a challenge to get this to stand up. Well, not with the stand that's already included in your files, because that will allow it to stand perfectly. It also allows for the whole of the card to be displayed. So it's a really clever little card. Let's take a look at how this is going to come together. So we're going to start off with the gatefold element that we've got here, and then look at the panels and the decoration. Well, the first panel is going to go into the centre. And this one is just very slightly smaller all the way around, so it's very easy to position. Don't have to worry about those score lines, because this circle becomes flat at either edge. So we don't want it at a point where it's not going to be able to open up. The next part of the design is actually the square that's going to go in the centre. And so how are we going to position this? What would be our preferred choice? Well, we can put this, and I'm just going to move this little square up a bit so it's a bit more central. So that's going to sit into the middle of the design, or I'm going to actually put mine square. So a square within a square. Now we're going to close this up and look at what happens next. So first of all, I'm going to put some panels on here. I'm going to put this one on here, and I'm going to put the next one on here. And then finally, the other elements that I've got are the decoration that are going to be the front of the card, and they are going to go here. So all of these pieces and all of this brings our circle card together, but we've still got the challenge of how we're going to make it stand up, particularly because this side of the card doesn't even meet the bottom of the circle. So this is what you've got, and this is one of the pieces that you're going to need to cut with your card shape. So it's a length of card that's got concertinas, and it's also got your score lines in there. And this card itself is designed so that, first of all, this panel, let me just turn it so it's the right way around, that piece sticks onto your card. I'll do it this way up, sorry. That piece sticks onto your card. That's the main body of the stand. That then goes up, and that's the bottom body of the stand. So that is the length of the stand itself. So let's close up this card. I'll tuck that in so we have got that. Line it up with the bottom. So I need to go this way. Make sure that you've got the elements of it straight here. Push that down, tuck that in, and there we go. There it is. That's our stand. So let's put our stand out and open up the card. That gives you and lets you see the dimension that you're getting from this fabulous circle.